how to upload a video on a story longer than 2 minutes on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever struggled with uploading a video longer than 2 minutes to your Instagram story, you're in the right place. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So first things first, let's open the Instagram app on your phone, and then keep in mind that Instagram stories only allow videos up to 60 seconds per clip. So if you want a video to be longer, you'll need to split it in smaller parts. However, if you don't want to do this, then what you can do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom, and then make sure that you tap on reel, and then tap on the video that is longer than 2 minutes. You can put whatever caption you want and then tap on share. So once you've shared your story will appear on your profile. You'll see the video that you just posted. Now to share it on the story, you'll have to tap on the arrow option on the right side and then tap on add to story and then post it to your story. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.